In this video, we're going to be talking about securing your motorhome so it's safe for your onward journey. Now, it may sound an obvious first point, but make sure your front travel seats are turned around and locked into position. Secondly, make sure your locker doors are shut, and if you have locking buttons, make sure they are pushed in. Doubly important if it's in the kitchen, if you've got pots and pans and that sort of thing. And the same with the fridge. If you have a travel lock, make sure they're pushed across. If you've got an automatic lock, it doesn't really matter. Skylights, again, doubly important. I know I've driven off with one open before. I don't recommend it. Make sure they're all down secured, especially the one above the cab. The latches here will have a travel position. Now, TV points and aerials, again, make sure the TV mounts are secured, and again, the aerial will have a certain direction of travel. And we also have the Habitation step, make sure that's retracted, and right at the back, the shower screen, just to make sure that's secured if you have a strap. And finally, before you go outside, it's always a good idea just to double check everything. Now, that includes the window catches all the way around. So on the outside, all we're doing is just double checking that everything is secure. Things like the covers for your appliances and also the locker doors. So just close them and make sure both catches are secure. And also with the awning, just a visual check to make sure it's fully wound back in. Now, moving on to the other side, the most obvious thing is this electric cable, bright orange. I'm sure you won't miss it, especially from the mirrors. But, you know, this is why these walk-around checks act as a good safety net. We'll just unplug that, we'll reel it up. We'll put it back in the locker in a minute. Now, probably one of the most important things on this side is the gas. There's a valve on top, make sure that is done up. That should be done up clockwise, and then we can secure that locker. Now, the final thing on your walk around check, if you are using leveling ramps, make sure they're not still under the wheels.